Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm really excited to share these items with you today because one is something that I've seen in real life multiple times, and it is time for this item, person, animal, to have his own Fold-it. Are you ready? It is a slimline crab. Look how cute this is. The other day, the babies and I were at the beach and there were some big rocks and we found a crab living in the rocks, and it was the most glorious thing in the world for those babies. Look how cute this little guy is. He also comes with these little rocks, so you can build your own Crab Slimline Fold-it. So cute, right? And this is what it looks like. Look at all the fun dies you're getting. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rocks and the guy. Also, the face is optional. So what if you don't want the face? You don't have to do the face. That's up to you. Okay, along the lines of beach theme, we have an A2 background die that is circles / bubbles, right? Because to me, this looks like bubbles. And let me just show you one example of it really looking like bubbles. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? It's like our little fishies and it's with bubbles. So fun. Oh, look at the inside too. So cute. But the fish to stamp are so cute with this background. Also, what goes really cute with this background is our froggy little Pape. Look at him, he's going swimming. I'm sorry, I forgot your birthday. Isn't that adorable? So cute. Didn't you just have a birthday? I love it. Okay, now, how many of you, and I know most of you do, have the Create a Scene card base, right? The Create a Scene is really fun. Actually, I just did a sample on this one in the last video. Cute with the little church, and of course it pops up, but it folds flat for mailing. But it pops up and it's a little scene, right? Well, we already had the basic, which is this one, so you could add anything, right? So this one, Michelle added the wedding to stamp items to it. It also came with Celebrate for a birthday. It also came with birdhouses to make something totally different. But now, are you ready? Ready? Summertime. Summertime. Hello, summer. Now, I know it doesn't look like much here. Hang on. Let me get one for you. Look at how gorgeous this is. Folds flat for mailing. Open it up. Look at how fun that is. You have your cute little palm trees. Hello, summer. You got your ocean down there. It comes with little clouds. It comes with the sun. It comes with a little tiny baby sailboat. Look how fun that is. Ready? Let's look at a couple more because this one really just kind of knocks your socks off. So again, flat, and then you open it up and it is literally a little scene. Isn't that cute? Hello, summer. Here's another one. Oh, look at those fun colors, that beautiful sunset. Hello, summer. Here's a cute one. Hello, summer, with those fun palm trees. So imagine giving this, I can honestly think about giving this to a teacher that just gets to starting his or her summer, which is so cute. And I have a couple more to share with you, but we're moving on. Dun, 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 dun. Remember our postage, our large postage stamp? Well, in those big circles, we needed some more icons, right? And with our personalized stamps, we needed some more icons. So here we go. I have caught us up. We have a typewriter, we have our butterfly number 2, we have our sewing machine. This is jam-packed of tons of Stamps of Life art in mini version. So if you've been looking for mini versions, especially to make your own background paper, or to stamp on the back, when you make the paw Fold-it, now you have a little paw stamp. I know, so fun. Now, last but not least, and then I have tons of samples, we have some epoxy dots in the aqua color. Perfect for our summer stuff, right? Look at this. You are getting 4 absolutely positively gorgeous. Now, you're getting 3 colors that match our color palette. You're also getting those 3 colors in glitter version as well. Beautiful, right? I know, with the summer, it's perfect, right? Now, let's look at a couple more samples. Remember those bubbles? It's not just for the ocean, it's not for the pool. Now it's for Happy New Year, those bubbles in your champagne. Or it can be a Merry Christmas if you want it to be. Or it could be a happy birthday to you with our dolphins to stamp, yay. Or it could be totally different, go totally optional, different ways. Smile and make it some little shakers if you want to. Look how cute that is. Isn't that cute with our fun bubblegum machine? Here's a cute one with our fish to stamp, Merry Christmas. Here's a cute one. Ooh, snowflakes are kisses from heaven, and those fun sequins move around in there. Oh my goodness, are you ready for this one? Look at this with our mermaid to stamp. It's a shadow box. It's a shadow box. I love you like a fish loves water. Look at all those bubbles she's making. Isn't that fun? Folds flat for mailing. Here's a cute one using our little fish. I love that. Christmas fishes. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now let's look at some more of those creative scenes. Look at this using our palm tree. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. This is the seashell dies from the Seahorse Fold-it and the Island to Visit stamp die set. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. Here's another one. Wow, use blue cardstock for your card base and boom, you're ready to go, right? Hello, summer. Beautiful. Now, let's look at some icons and then we have some more crabs to look at. Life's a beach. Use our grid dies to stamp some fun beachy stamps in there. So cute. You can also use, here's that typewriter in the middle of those circles. That's originally how I designed them to go with those circled stamps. Or you can make your own pattern paper. Look at that with our cute little bear. Now, love you very much. Make your own pattern paper. Isn't that fun? And look how cute this one is. Decorating that beautiful heart with just a whole bunch of different little cute icons. This is using the scalloped heart fold-it and the gatefold card. Look at this. Open it up. My friend. Thinking of you, my friend. Isn't that beautiful? Now, more crabs, more crabs. Now, you know my babies are gonna fall in love with this one that Michelle made. This cute little stuffy. Isn't he adorable using our wool felt all sewed and ready to go? He's going to the beach right now. Look at this cute one. Oh my goodness, I dig you. Look at all those fun shells and baby crabs from our Under the Sea class, which is really cute. Open it up. I love you to the beach and back. Look how fun that is. Oh my gosh. Slimlines fit in a business-sized envelope. Look at that. Look at those rocks. I'm so glad I added those rocks in there because you know what? They just really add to the crab. Oh, cute little hibiscus flower, summer vibes. You can also put our crab on a Slimline card if you want. You are special. Look at that. See you soon. And last but not least is beautiful blue crab because not all crabs are red. Not all crabs are red. Yvette made this one. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh, so pretty with that fun little face on there. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting that club discount. If you're getting them on flash sale, you're also getting that flash sale discount. Is that amazing or what? If you're not in the club, why? Try us out for 3 months. Just try it. You might fall in love with us, especially with your club discount, getting all those goodies and all the freebies we're doing and all the just fun, yummy stuff. Now, heads up, the Aqua Epoxy Dots are limited edition. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're watching this video in a year and you look for those, they're gonna be gone, okay? Just a heads up on that, okay? Thank you so much, and if I went too fast, don't worry, you can go to our online gallery and check out all of these fun samples and even more, and upload your own. Thanks so much, I'll see you soon, bye-bye.